What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video you join me with the S5 again on this beautiful kind of spring day. We're finally getting into some warm weather and I'm really happy to be driving the S5 around today. But in this video I wanted to give you guys a quick update on something that I'm getting fixed with this car. I figured I would address it since I've mentioned it in a few of my update videos. It's a very small thing and something actually that happened because of my own doing, but I'm finally getting around to fixing it. So if we come around to the passenger side of the car, I can promise you the car is not as clean as it looks in the video here. It's actually covered in pollen because the spring is definitely here. But if we go to the rear passenger wheel, yes, I am getting this pretty gnarly curb rash here that I caused a little while ago fixed. Like I said, I actually bought these wheels with a bit of curb rash on them, and this was the wheel that actually had the most. So you can see this little section right here, that's actually going to get fixed as well. So the company I'm actually using to fix my wheel is called WheelsonSite, and as their name may suggest, they are a mobile wheel reconditioning service. So as long as you have around 6 feet of space at your home or office or anything like that, they can go ahead and fix pretty much any set of nasty curb rashes you may have on your wheels. They're primarily located in the Washington, D.C. area. I'm taking it to their main reconditioning facility, but they do have locations all up and down the East Coast that they can come to use. So go ahead and check out their website for more information. I'll link it in the description box below. Otherwise, guys, that's the overview of the work I'm getting done to the car. Nothing major, but it will help rejuvenate the overall look of the car. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I'm not getting paid to shout out the company, but I figured I would give them some recognition because they do offer a really convenient and nice product. But with all that being said, as you can see, we're losing a bit of daylight, so let's go ahead and jump to the finished product in a couple days. All right, guys, well, it is the next day. I just got the car back from getting the wheel refinished, so we'll go ahead and take a quick look. And as you can already tell, it looks absolutely perfect. There's zero signs of any previous curb rash on it. They did an excellent job with the paint match and everything. I actually couldn't even tell where the rash was in the first place when I picked it up. But as you can see, just kind of zooming in on the outer edge of the rim, just absolutely perfect job. So a couple notes about the care of the wheel now that it's refinished. I'm actually not supposed to be washing it for the next 24 to 48 hours. Obviously, if it rains and something like that, that's no big deal. But after 24 to 48 hours, I can use kind of a standard soap and water product to remove kind of any brake dust on there. Ceramic coatings and pressure washers and stuff like that, automated car washes, you have to wait 30 days for. Other than that, guys, I think that's going to conclude this video. Like I said, huge thanks and shout out to WheelsonSite for doing such a great job and getting me in quickly. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but I really do appreciate their great work. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.